Hello, this is Dr. Williams, and today we're going to learn about tab setting and tab stops in Google Documents. So first thing, as you can see, I have my Google document open. Right now it's just a blank untitled document. So pause the video and open up a blank Google document. Once you have that open, now let's go and get our assignment. So I'm going to go back here to the classroom and I'm going to look for the Google Tabs handout. When I click on this handout, you'll see that it opens up a PDF. What I like to do is I like to split my screen so I can see my set of instructions on the left side and work on my right side. So you can't see, but I'm going to bring it down so you can. I'm going to click on my tab. See how I'm clicked right on my PDF Google Tab handout? And I can now move it around where I need it to go. I'm going to click on the title bar, bring it back down again, and throw it to the left side. See how it snaps to the left side of my screen? That's splitting the screen in that direction. I'm going to go back over here, grab my untitled document, click on the tab at the top, bring it down. It's going to go full screen. Grab the title bar, grab that, and I'm going to pull this over to the right side. See how it snaps to the right? And now I have my Google Docs on my right side of my screen and my directions on the other side. So let me show you how to work this a little bit. So the tabs worksheet. First thing I want to do is I want to title it tabs. You could do worksheet if you want, or tabs project, tabs assignment. So I'll just do tab project. And I'm going to click OK. That gives it a name. Next thing I want to do is I want to center. So see here it says center. So I'm going to go right on over here, find my center button. Oh, wait a minute, I need more. Right here, more. Because I have the split screen, a lot of my tools have been nested. So I'm going to center. And I'm going to type in cap locks, office supplies needed. And then I'm going to hit enter once. Okay, next thing, let me get rid of that little dialog box. I'll see here it says set right tab at 3 inches. Notice I have a ruler. So if I click up here at 3 inches, just left click, and I need a right tab. Add right tab stop, and I'm going to go ahead and click. So now I'm going to take my cap locks off and I'm going to type address, labels, make sure I spell address correctly, tab at $26.99. $26.99. Now I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to do the same thing, type electronic scale, spacebar, tab, and this one's $82.49. So you'll notice even though my tab is set at 3 inches, I have my project centered. So as you go down, it will center itself. Go ahead, finish typing up down to search protector. Now that I have everything typed, yours should look similar to this. You should have it on center and you should have your tab stop at 3. The only thing I'm missing is bolding. So I'm going to select office supplies needed, come up here and select bold. Well, that was easy. Let's go to the second one, overnight shipping. We're going to go ahead and enter 3 times after search protector. See how it says enter 3 times. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to type overnight shipping with cap locks on. Overnight shipping. I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm going to left align it. So I'm going to go over here to more because I got my split screen. So I need to find it. I'm going to take my cap locks off, left align, and I'm going to type this paragraph. Please consult this table, and go ahead and type up that paragraph. All right, once you've completed typing up your paragraph, you're going to go ahead and hit enter twice. We're going to type company. We're going to do a center tab at 2 inches. It's a center tab, and I'm going to move that right. See how I click right on there, move that at 2. And we're going to hit tab, and we're going to type cost, spacebar. I'm going to do another center tab. Let me get rid of that. Another center tab at 3.5. So that's 2, that's 3. I'm going to do another center tab right here at 3.5. And I'm going to tab, and I'm going to do weight limit. And I'm going to do another center tab at 5.5. Hit tab, and the center tab is delivery time. Now it looks funky because I'm on split screen, but if I go to full screen, let's see here, I have to take out this tab from prior. See, I just click on it and drag it out. Now it looks good. So that's what I forgot. I forgot that one step. We got to clear out our tabs prior to typing this new one. So we're going to go back here, and now I'm going to hit enter. And this time, now that we're down here, we finished this part, we're going to delete the 2-inch tab. So we're going to delete this one, and we're going to add a right tab stop there. So I'm going to add a right tab. Notice how I just click and drag it off. Delete the 5.5. Now notice I put my cursor right on that center tab. It's a little shape here. I'm going to click, drag it off, and then I would like to add a right tab. So I'm going to click, add a right tab. That was this step at 6. So I want to move this one over to 6. Okay. Now I'm going to type in the word lightning, tab at 1175. Tab and weight limit is going to be 1 pound, 4 ounces, and tab again at 1 p.m. and I'm going to hit enter. Notice when I hit enter, my tabs stay with me. If I go back up here to the top, the tabs disappeared because the computer remembers as you put in the tabs, they're going to go down. So go ahead and finish typing up your overnight shipping. So I'm going to hit enter. All right, so take a look at what you've done. We've got company, cost, weight limit, delivery time. What we want to do is we want to bold our headings here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight and bold. Now notice here my 1175 is not quite centered under cost. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this entire paragraph. Once I get it typed up, now I can go back and make it look pretty. I'm going to grab this right tab. See how it's on the right side because it's money? We want to line up our cents. I'm going to just drag it over until I think it looks, and I'm going to eyeball it. Oops, just go right there. That looks pretty centered. And then again, we want this on the right align with the time. And notice here we have different shapes for different tab markers. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter twice or 3 times. And now what you're going to do is you're going to work on Bagel Mania. It's a mock menu. And what I want you to do is set your tabs. I'd actually move this one over a little bit to the left. Set this up just the way it looks. I'm not going to take you through it step by step, but you should be able to use these skills to recreate the Bagel Mania right below. Good luck!